we will discuss about this question. This question related to absolute maximum and absolute minimum values. Absolute maximum and absolute minimum value of a function f given by f of x equal to 2x cube minus 5x square plus 36x plus 1 on the interval 1 to 5. Students, we will start to solve this question. I am going to writing the solution. Find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of a given function. That means our function is f of x equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 1. What is the procedure to finding the absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of any given function in given intervals? First, we should be find what is the given function. Here our function is f of x equal to this. Then second step, first we should find first derivative of this function. That means f dash of x, this is the first derivative, equal to, this will be 6x square minus 30x plus 36. This is the second step. Now in the third step, we should be equate, since f dash of x equal to 0, we should be equate f dash of x equal to 0. Then this will be, therefore 6x square minus 30x plus 36 equal to 0, divided by 6 on both sides. So this will be x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Now factorize this and find the value of x. What will you factor? Factor will be x square minus 6x plus 1x plus 6 equal to 0. This will be x square, x as a common from first two term. Then inner side x minus 6 and taking minus 5, 3 2 are 6, 5. This is not factor is wrong. Actual factor will be x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Because product of x and 6, this will be positive x square. Now taking common as x from first two term, then this will be x minus 2, and taking common from last two term, common is 3, then this will be x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 2 and in another bracket x minus 3 equal to 0. We can calculate from here x equal to, therefore x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. Now all values, in the next step we should be listed all values of x, including the extreme of interval. Therefore all values, therefore we should find the values of f, on which points? All points of x, including the extremes of interval. That means 1, 2, 3 and 5 also. Therefore in this function f of 1 at x equal to 1, we first take first number f is equal to 1, therefore f of 1 equal to 2 into 1 cube minus 15 into 1 square plus 36 into 1 plus 1. This will be 2 minus 15 plus 36 plus 1. This will be 36 minus 15. This will be 21 21, 22, 22 plus 2, 24. Means f of 1 equal to 24. Now at x equal to 2, f of 2 equal to 2 into 2 cube minus 15 into 2 square plus 36 into 2 plus 1. This will be 2 cube means 8, 8 2 is 16 minus 2 square 4, 4 into 15, this will be 60 plus 36 into 2, 72 plus 1. Now 16 plus 1, 17 plus 72 minus 16, this will be 12. This will be 29. Means f of 2 equal to 29. Now at 3. At x equal to 3, f of 3 equal to 2 into 3 cube minus 15 into 3 square plus 36 into 3 plus 1. This will be 3 into 3 into 3, that means cube of 3 is 27, 2 is 54 minus square of 3 is 9, 9 into 15, 135 plus 36 into 3, that means 108 plus 1. Now here 15 plus 1, 54 plus 1, 55 minus 135 minus 108, that means 27, and 55 minus 27, this will be 26. Sorry, 29. 15 minus 7, sorry, 26. 15 minus 7, 8, 28, sorry. F of 3 equal to 28. Now one value left, f of at x equal to 5, f of 5 equal to this will be 2 into 5 cube minus 15 into 5 square plus 36 into 5 plus 1. This will be 25 cube means 125, 125 into 2, 250 minus 5 square means 25, 25 into 15, 15 5 is 75, 15 2 is 30 plus 7, 37 plus 5 6 is 30, 5 3 is 15 plus 3, 18 plus 1. This will be equal to, I calculate here, 181 plus 250. 250 plus 181. This will be 1, 3 and this will be 4. Subtract 375. 375. 11 minus 5, 6. 12 minus 7, 5 means 56. This will be equal to 56. Now you can see here, there are 4 values. F of 1 equal to 24, f of 2 equal to 29, f of 3 equal to 28 and f of 5 equal to 56. Since 24 is less and 56 is more, now we can write here since f of 1 equal to 24 is minimum and f of 5 equal to 56 is maximum. Therefore, absolute maxima equal to 56 at x equal to 5 and absolute minima equal to 24 at x equal to 1. This is the answer.